Hello. Can you solve for x in 6 to the power of x multiplied by 6x equal to 54? Now let's get started in solving this question. To solve this question, we're going to apply two laws of a logarithm or indices. And what are the laws of indices we can apply? If we have y multiplied by y, this can be equal to y squared, right? That's unique. And we can also have this expression. If we have a to the power of x multiplying the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of xy. So let's see how we can apply these two expressions in solving this. 6 to the power of x multiplied by 6 to the power of x will simply give us 6 to the power of x, or what? All squared, right? And this can be equal to 54. So having gotten this, what we need to do is to apply that law of logarithm. We apply that law of indices, we'll have this to become 6 to the power of 2x, because the index will have to multiply, and this will be equal to 54. Great. Now what do we do? Can we simplify this? Can we make 54 to have the same base as 6, such that we can just reduce the base and then equate the exponent? There is no factor that we can make this with a base of 6. So what we need to do is to apply the laws of logarithm. Now if we apply the laws of logarithm, we're going to have this to become the log of 6 to the power of 2x, right, equal to the log of 4. Great. Now 54 can be equal to 6 times 9. So we can have this to become the log of 6 to the power of 2x equal to the log of, this will become 9 multiplied by 6, and this can be simplified to, according to the law of logarithm, this will multiply the log of 6, and so we'll have our 2x multiplying the log of 6, right? And this will be equal to, simplifying this, will have the log of 6 plus, according to the law of logarithm, plus 9. Alright, so for us to find the value of 2x, since 2x is separated, we'll have to divide this by the log of 6, and then divide here by the log of 6. So what do we do? Log of 6 cancel out the log of 6, and then we'll have our 2x to be equal to the log of 6. We can separate this, log of 6 divided by the log of 6, and this can be plus the log of 9 divided by the log of 6. So what do we do here? Log of 6 is common. Log of 6 divided by log of 6, that will cancel out to give us 2x to be equal to 1 plus log of 9 divided by the log of 6. Great. So what do I do here? According to the law of logarithm, we can simplify this. I'll have this to become 2x equal to 1 plus log of 9 can be 3 to the power of 2, right? And this can be divided by the log of 6, right? And that will be simplified to give us 2x equal to 1 plus 2 log 3 all divided by log of 6. Now we need to simplify this further. If we simplify this further, we can get the value of x by dividing both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2, we have this divided by 2, and all of these divided by 2. If all of these divided by 2, what do we have? 2 we have to cancel out 2, and then our x will be equal to, I want us to look at one simple laws of logarithm. If you have the log of a divided by the log of b, this can be equal to the log of a base b, right? So if I apply it over here, I'll have that expression to give me 1 plus 2 log of 3 base 6, and all of these will be divided by 2. So that is simple enough to become the solution. So we'll have our x to be equal to 1 plus 2 log 3 base 6 all divided by 2, and this stands as the solution to that expression given to us up there. Now let's check to see if our solution is absolutely right. We are given the value of 6 to the power of x multiplied by 6 to the power of x equal to 54. So if we insert the value of 6 to the power of x into that expression, can we have 64? Let's have 6 to the power of x multiplying 6 to the power of x. Will it be able to give us 54? Now let's test this out. If we simplify that, we're going to have that expression to give us 6 to the power of x is 1 plus 2 log 3 base 6 all divided by 2 multiplying 6 to the power of 1 plus 2 log 3 base 6 all divided by 2. Now can this whole thing give me 54? Now let me test this out. If I check this out, we'll have 6 multiplied by 6, so that can give me 6 to the power of 2, or multiply 1 plus 2 log 3 base 6 divided by 2. Now will all these be equal to 54? Let's find out. So if we simplify that, this is going to give me 6 to the power of 1 plus 2 log 3 base 6. Will it be equal to 54? Now from this expression, you come to see that applying the laws of indices, we can separate this to give us that expression will give us 6 to the power of 1 multiplied by 6 to the power of 2 log 3 base 6. Now can this be equal to 54? Now recall one law of logarithm, that if I have a to the power of log of x base a, this can simply be equal to x. Why? Because base a can cancel out base a, then my solution will be x. So if I apply that here, I'm going to have this to become 6 to the power of 1 multiplying here 6 will have to cancel out 6, and then I'll have 3 to the power of 2, and can this be equal to 54? If you simplify that, you're going to see that this is going to give you 6 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Now, 6 times 9 will it give us 54? Of course, yes. 6 times 9 will give us 54. So, 54 equal to 54 prove to us that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus 2 log 3 base 6 divided by 2 is absolutely the solution, or the value of x that satisfies that math expression given to us up there. See, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.